Gonna tell you a story.
Wow. Oh, yeah. See, we're cooking these for the whole hog section, the second section.
They look delicious.
Serve them right off the hog.
Can I have some?
Some call it Cat Daddy, some Midnight Moon. From the hills of Wilkes County, 190 proof. Backwoods, hillbillies, sleepy country towns. Bootleggers, chew joints, popped up all around. Souped up cars, ripped out back seats. Revenue was roadblocks on the main street, y'all. Lay a little bet with a runner up the road. Gas up the cars and get an equal load. Fender to fender, as fast as you can go. First one to the drop, he picks up the dough. Breakneck speeds, twisted mountain roads. A new sensation was about to explode. Good old boys out having some fun.
Who's beer's that?
Thank you so much. It all started with a batch of Carolina moonshine. Junior Johnson new sign and a new cost too. Lou Allen and Blair paid their dues. Legends of the hills, fathers of stock car. Never dream racing would come this far, no. Breakneck speeds, twisted mountain roads, and new sensations was about to explode. Good old boys out having some fun. It all started with a batch of Carolina moonshine. Years under a midnight moon, you better hurry back, boys, we got a job to do. Breakneck speeds, twisted mountain roads, a new sensation was about to explode. Good old boys out having some fun, going head to head on a midnight run. A stock car, a man running for his life. It all started with a batch of Carolina. Started with a batch of Carolina. Had this cold and sweet. Don't get caught now, boys.